question about this Colonel Grijaldo. Um, medyo nakakapiko na po, Mr. Chairman eh. His continued absence, in this committee hearing, in the pretext of medical excuses are not acceptable. He wants to run, no? He wants to run, running away from his responsibility and mentioning the name of this representation. He tainted the image of this representation, not only of this representation, but the whole of the Quadcom. Now, Mr. Chairman, medyo hindi ko po matatanggap yung excuses na medical services. As a matter of fact, Mr. Chairman, kung titignan mo itong kanyang excuse that written by his lawyer, kaya hindi po siya nakapunta rito because he was still in the hospital. Mula nung November 13 hanggang ngayon, nasa hospital pa rin siya. And he wanted to get a clearance prior to his surgical operation dahil meron daw po siyang rotator cuff syndrome that can be treated through rest, sling, and anti-inflammatory medications. Surely, he wanted to evade this hearing. Ayaw niyang panindigan yung mga sinabi niya doon sa affidavit niya sa Senado. In the previous hearing, Mr. Chairman, we manifested, di ba, na we will be relinquish our chairmanship on the issue of Colonel Grijaldo. Pero hanggang ngayon, inaantay po natin siya dito. And if I may, Mr. Chairman, if I may, I just wanted to ask kung andito po yung pihaw sa PNP na kung saan doon under preventive suspension si Colonel Grijaldo. May we ask, Mr. Chairman, kung nagre-report si Colonel Grijaldo sa pihaw?
Is there a representative from PIHAW?
Ayoko na po sana ngang magtanong tungkol dito. But, Mr. Chairman, the last time that he appeared in this Congress was more than a month already. And it's taking too long, no? Because he said something against this committee, against this person. And that's the reason we wanted to be cleared on the affidavit that he manifested in the Senate. Now, Mr. Chairman, nandiyan na ba? Pihaw, please.
Pihaw, nandito ba taga-Pihaw?
Yeah.
Please take a seat. Para mabilis po tayo, please take a seat. Yung taga-Pihaw.
Ang pihaw po for the information of the body, sila po yung general, ako, itong custody ng mga under preventive suspension ba ang pihaw?
Mr. Chair, I think the representative of PIHAW is present and he will be able to answer those questions.
So
Kindly identify yourself.
Good morning, sirs. Police Brigadier General Constancio Chinayog Jr., the Acting Director of the Directorate for Personnel and Records Management. And under me is the PIHAW, or Personnel Holding
Chair,
Administrative Unit, sir.
I'd like to ask if he has taken his oath.
This is my second time, sir, to appear, so I took my oath
Okay,
the first time.
What is the mandate of the pihaw, sir?
It is, the PIHAW is the unit in DPRM where personnel without any assignment are put into, sir.
So, mula noong November 13, nag-report na bubuwas inyo si Colonel Grijaldo?
He reported November 18, sir. November 18.
November 18.
Opo.
Pero the procedure of the PIHAW is what? You have to report what, daily?
Yes, sir. They should be physically accounted, especially when we were cautioned because We were allowed then because of our policy that we can account personnel online. But since the last meeting that Honorable Akop cautioned us, we required them, sir, to really be present during accounting.